For all the political turmoil, for all the breathless uncertainty, Wall Street and Bay Street stocks have soared since President Donald Trump won the election. And right up until today, financial markets have pretty much brushed off all the scandals. When Trump fired former FBI Director James Comey, investors shrugged. Reports of leaking classified information to Russia, the money didn't blink. But last night, when word got out that Trump reportedly asked Comey to drop that investigation into National Security Advisor accused of ties with Russia, well, that seems to be the straw that might just have broken the camel's back. Because investors fundamentally care about Trump's agenda of deregulation and tax cuts. If Washington's focused on scandal, well, that plan is in peril. Here's that sentiment in one single chart. This is the VIX, basically a measure of stock market volatility, but it's also referred to as Wall Street's fear index. All was calm this week, right up until today, when it shot up more than 46%. And it was also the worst day of the year for North American stocks. The U.S. dollar erased all of its gains since Trump took office. The broad basket of U.S. stocks, the S&P 500, fell more than 1.8%. American banks were the hardest hit. Even the tech-heavy NASDAQ fell 2.5%. Canadian stocks were also lower, the TSX off by 1.7%. Investors are clearly worried all the drama could bring Trump's pro-growth agenda to a halt. Policies like massive corporate tax cuts and relaxed bank regulations are a lot harder to pass when Congress has its hands full dealing with a conveyor belt of scandals. And it was optimism over those policies that first propelled North American stock markets to record highs in recent months. Where there's worry, investors often turn to gold as a safe haven, which rallied today, as did government bonds.